Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about T32 Tuya Smart Doorbell. This doorbell records in HD. It has two-way audio, real-time alerts, motion detection, 155-degree wide angle, night vision, and a cloud storage. The two-way audio enables you to speak and listen to the person at your doorstep. This video doorbell has a wide-angle lens and it records in 1080p video resolution. It supports Smart Life application and Tuya Smart application. This is not just a doorbell, it has a camera that can be used for surveillance. Unlike other doorbells, this doorbell supports 2.4G Wi-Fi and 5G Wi-Fi. This doorbell camera is waterproof. It has motion detection that sends you an alarm message whenever it detects a person. It is equipped with a good and clear night vision. The two-way audio enables you to speak and listen to the person at your doorstep.